Welcome to the Silver Report's weekly wrap-up, where we take a look at a few of the biggest stories that impacted the financial markets over the past week. On Monday, the Dow closed down 27 points. The markets were brought down by underwhelming earnings from Goldman Sachs and Citigroup. Goldman Sachs beat EPS estimates by 69 cents but missed on revenue by $80 million. Citigroup beat EPS estimates by 8 cents and revenue estimates by $20 million. In other news, AT&T sold its Hulu stake acquired in its Time Warner acquisition back to Hulu. We also had Waste Management enter an agreement to purchase Advanced Disposal Services Incorporated on Monday. On Tuesday, the Dow closed up 67 points in news that moved the markets. Reports that the DOJ would not approve the Sprint and T-Mobile merger sent both stocks sliding in the after hours. Qualcomm and Apple agreed to dismiss all litigations worldwide. The news moved Qualcomm stock higher. In earnings news, Netflix beat EPS estimates by 19 cents and beat revenue estimates by $20 million. IBM beat EPS estimates by a penny but missed on revenue by $330 million. United Continental beat EPS estimates by 19 cents but missed on revenue by $30 million. Bank of America beat EPS estimates by 4 cents but missed on revenue by $240 million. And Johnson & Johnson beat EPS estimates by 6 cents and revenue estimates by $470 million. That was a surprise. On Wednesday, the Dow closed down 3 points. Healthcare service companies like United Health, Merck, and Pfizer all had a hand in pulling the markets down. In other news, China announced that its economy grew 6.4% during the quarter, beating estimates of 6.3% growth. In earnings news, Morgan Stanley beat EPS estimates by 16 cents and revenue estimates by $30 million. Pepsi beat EPS estimates by 4 cents and revenue estimates by $200 million. US Bank Corp reported an EPS that was in line with analyst estimates, but missed on revenue by $40 million. And Las Vegas Sands beat EPS estimates by 4 cents and revenue estimates by $160 million. On Thursday, the Dow closed up 110 points. Thursday was all about IPOs. First, we had Zoom Video Communications, which closed up 72% from its IPO price. Then we got the Pinterest IPO, which closed up 28% from its IPO price. In earnings news, we had American Express beating EPS estimates by 4 cents but missing on revenue by $100 million. Skechers reported earnings per share that was in line with analyst estimates, but the company missed on revenue by $20 million. Philip Morris beat EPS estimates by 8 cents but missed on revenue by $10 million. And Honeywell beat EPS estimates by 8 cents and revenue estimates by $260 million. On Friday, the markets were closed in observance of Good Friday. Overall, the S&P 500 was slightly down for the week, but the Dow and the Nasdaq were both up during the week. In crypto news, digital currencies continue their march upwards. Bitcoin was trading at $5,282.38 at the time of this recording. Ethereum was trading at $172.38 at the time of this recording. Litecoin was trading at $82.25. And Ripple was trading at 33 cents. Crude oil was slightly up from last week, closing at $64 per barrel. A big winner for the week, 360 Finance, QFIN ticker symbol, which saw an increase of over 40% on the week. A big loser for the week, Stone Co. Limited, which lost 24% of its value during the week. Just a weekly reminder that our latest quarterly newsletter is available at SevilleReport.com. If you're new to investing and need a place to start, or you're an experienced investor who needs a few investment ideas, we suggest you check it out. Also, a link to sign up to our weekend article In Focus is in the description below. Before you make a buy or sell decision, definitely check out our In Focus article. And congrats to the Silver Report newsletter subscribers and purchasers who invested in Louis Vuitton Moet on our recommendation. The stock hit our $75 per share target, a 29% gain from when we recommended it. Thanks again, everyone, for checking out the Silver Report's weekly market wrap-up. This channel is dedicated to anyone who wants to start investing but doesn't know how or where to start. If you have any questions, ask in the comments section, like and subscribe, and may your next investment be your best investment. See you next week.